Well, I've recently got this, the Bosch GOP 18V 28 cordless multi-tool featuring the Starlock system. The Starlock system is brilliant. You just pull this lever, off comes the tool. Then when you want to reattach your tool, you just press it on. Watch this, you just pull the handle, tool falls off. And to reattach the tool, just snap it on. So that's a super great way of doing it. It's so much better than the old Allen key way. Like most multi-tools, got variable speed control. I might want to put the 2 amp hour battery on it just because it's a little bit narrower than the 4 amp hour battery, so it's a bit centimetre less. Gets in the way a little bit less when you're in those corners. But a really good tool, I've been using it quite a while now. And I'm pretty pleased with the blades too. Where previously you get through a blade every few cuts, these, I think like carbide blades or something, really do last. Although, word of warning, if you stand on them, they do break. Or maybe that's my way. Right, let's have a look at the tool in action. Obviously got through that no problem, but I'm really pleased with the multi-tool and love the Starlock system. Well, I hope that was useful. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.